welcome back to Dazzle Diamonds, and today we're gonna be learning to animate. Okay, by the way, I'm really bad at this because I'm kind of on a mobile phone and I do not have a stylus, so I'm kind of doing stuff with my fingers. So yeah. Hooray! I don't know, I'm gonna name it anything. Yeah. Create. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is make a bunch of frames. Okay, now I'm gonna go back to the start. I'm gonna do something easy. But technically, it's not that easy. It's mostly easy because I don't have to quite draw anything. I'm just, that's terrible.
Want to check out your house or your whole
No.
neighborhood in crazy real 3D? I'm talking your place, your ride, even people. Everything popping out like you're standing right there. Hit download. It's free. Come see for yourself.
Who cares? Okay, let's get back. I heard if we get ads on our videos, like we get some prizes, YouTube prizes. But I don't think I get any if it pops up while I'm recording. Funny, right? Kind of wish it does because I actually get a lot. No. Nah, I'm gonna keep it up to here. I don't know, what am I doing? Okay. It takes a lot of time to do this part. Okay, let's see how this goes. Okay, so we're gonna do this cool thing. No, never mind, erase. We're gonna do this cool thing, so we're gonna kind of bucket fill it. No, we want it black. Okay. And we're gonna kind of do this. I know it looks a little silly, but it's supposed to look like this. Okay, so that's just a bunch of people putting their arms out. If you can understand. I should make the heads bigger. Okay. I'm gonna copy this. Paste, copy, paste, paste, paste. I hope it turns good. Now we're gonna go ahead and trace levitate over here. You know what I mean? And then we're gonna kind of copy this. Paste, 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 paste. I think that's enough, hopefully. Okay. Paste. Cool. This is the cool types of animation I do. I'd like, I can even do like shape and stuff. So I'm gonna go with undo, yeah. Now I'm gonna kind of extend it. And I'm gonna make a bunch of shapes. Hopefully. Yeah, this is the first thing I learned to do without looking very bad. So don't judge that I'm doing this a very beginner stuff. So yeah, if you want, you can download FlipaClip and you can try. But I recommend that once you're more experienced, you can kind of like draw girls doing stuff and like more detailed stuff. I can't right now because I don't have a stylus pen and I'm not used to drawing with my fingertips. I'm used to drawing like, with pencil. So I might not be able to do it, but if you have stylus, guys, you can try. I heard they're really cool. I mean, some of my friends have stylus, but they're like, no, you're never gonna touch my stylus. So yeah. Why am I so quick in this? I'm writing quicker than I normally do. Probably, remove that eye. I need it. Oh, cool, I made a whole eye, but no thank you. Yes. Now, that was trash. Yeah. Guys, hope you're not getting bored. I say that a lot, but I don't know what to talk about right now, so it might be a little more boring than before today. Can you even read this handwriting? Probably not. It's terrible. Nana, what was that? Please. Why? It takes so much time just to do one writing. Just one word. Because I have to write the word millions of times if it's long enough. And triangle is already really long. I mean, pretty long for animation. But trust me, I hope it looks cool. I know these are pretty pointless, my animation. No, what am I doing? No. Pretty pointless animations by me. But like, I think it rocks that I know how to write animation, Animate somebody like writing something. You know what I mean? Like what I'm doing right now. And I'm just gonna do like a cool thingy. you know? And copy, paste, 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 paste. Then new page. Take a brush, overline it, you know. This is what we normally do. And then copy, paste, 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 paste. Oh, I'm not doing this one. Wait, I'm gonna delete this one. Remove. That's because I already have 100 frames. Okay, I want to see how the 100 frame animation turned out yet. Even though I only did this and then triangle. That's 100 frames. That. Yeah, I could even make kids animations like cat, dog. I'm probably gonna try one now. Yeah, let's try one. I'm gonna go ahead and call this finished. Now I can rename it. Triangle. Cool. Yes, at least this is like faster than when I'm editing stuff sometimes a little bit. It takes hours. Just like the editing part is a little less slower, but then it gets so hard. Yeah. Okay, let's make another animation. Okay, for those of you who don't know who this is, that's my little sister's nickname. Let's go ahead. This is not going to be easy because I'm taking a challenge of drawing stuff. Okay, I know I'm drawing bad, not like I normally do, but this is for a change, you know? Let's see. I hope this is enough for a moment, at least. And I'm gonna teach her to write cat. Hopefully not that bad handwriting right now, because I can really not afford that for my sister to understand. She doesn't even know the ABC, so I might have to do an ABC one. At least I can make this one bigger, you know? Wow, cat! I don't normally write like this. This is just something that happens to me while doing animation. And then the black and white thing. No, we need it. Black. Black. Why does it automatically turn pink? I don't know. Okay. Now we can do cat. We copy, paste, 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 paste. Yeah. Okay. Now let's go in with the refill part. Copy, paste, paste, paste. There. Now let's go ahead and draw another cat, but with black background. Okay, this is gonna be terrible, I know it, but I'm going for it. I don't normally draw that bad, but okay, there, let's go ahead and, you know, do our little refill thingy. Yeah. Copy, paste, paste, paste. Let's go ahead and see this. That's cool. Now let's do dog. Yeah. Okay. No. Paste, 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 paste. Why do I say paste so much? Next up, we gotta say D. I feel like this is looking terrible, but I don't mind. There is no room for failure, but neither is there for this to be correct. But if it does turn out correct, I'm going to be impressed on myself because I'm not that good at animation. Just a lumpy beginner. It's like I'm actually drawing it step by step, but on different pages, so I have to like retrace everything again and again. This is your thing reminder if you're starting animation. Okay, cool. Let's check this out. Oh wait, I can't forget the black. No. Paste, paste, paste. Okay, cool. Let's go ahead. Let's do this. Paste, 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 paste. Let's see how it turned out. Okay, I can't.
Free puzzle game.
Nah.
Move the cards. Collect pictures. More than 2,000 levels. Loved by players all over the world. Minimum advertising.
Like, those who liked my artwork,
Relaxing
you can
gameplay.
tell me, the
Download for
like
free.
very special solid color artworks. Those ones. Those online artworks. You can look at it if you like. Like boba tea, gnarly, Tesla, gnarly, free cheek, gnarly, party in the Bollywood Hills. This song, gnarly, oh my god, the new beat, gnarly. Is this real? Not gnarly, not gnarly, not gnarly. Honey, like a bag of Takis on the ship. Avi, do. Nah. Gnarly. Everything's gnarly. Honey, like a bag of Takis on the ship. Avi. Yeah. Copy. Paste. Let's go on. Hurry up and do our trace thingy. No. Gnarly. Copy. Paste. paste. Now let's check it out. I'm gonna stop at this because this is actually really big. So guys, I might end this video too. But please subscribe to my channel. And bye.